Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but none of them are high impact news. So most likely I'm anticipating the market to be into the less volatile state today. So let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price respected this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below this strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking this strong low, the price retraced back to this zone over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows. Rather, it swept it. This gave us a bullish bias into the monthly time frame. So currently, I'm anticipating the price to respect this order block right here, but we are also respecting this FBG and sweeping the previous lows. So the bias is still not clear for me right now into the monthlies. So I'll be moving into the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart and this was the candle from where the bearish move had started, and the price reacted from this candle over here and moved into the downward direction. But currently we are sweeping the low of the previous leg and the price has broken this high which had taken the liquidity of the previous weekly high. So most likely we have turned into the bullish state. So let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart and we can see that the liquidity was taken right here. The price reacted from this daily order block and moved into the upside direction, breaking this high right at this zone. So currently, what are the points from where the price can react to? So the first thing is, I guess these both are equal lows. So no, I can see that this is a liquidity sweep. So for the detailed picture, let's move to the 4 hours now. So this is the 4-hour chart and we can see that this is the liquidity taking leg and the price moved into the upside direction. So for me, this FVG is important, but to reduce the area, I'll be taking this breaker area, which was responsible for breaking this high, as a strong zone of reaction. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and mitigate this order block or the breaker area right here. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So this is the 1 hour chart and we are having equal lows right at this zone. And we are having this unmitigated breaker area. So I'm anticipating the price to move into this breaker area right here and then move into the upside direction. So I'll be directly moving to 15 minutes now. So this is the 15-minute chart and we are having liquidity accumulated right below it. So the price is getting slower since we can see that the highs are being swept by the market. So into the London session, I'll be expecting the market to take the high of the Asia and then move into the downward direction towards this POI or the higher time frame breaker block right here. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.